Hi everyone, my name is Kaushal and this is the video number 2 of the project's student management. As in previous video, I already discussed about the database that we are going to use and different the helper functions and what are the variables that we are going to use. I will provide all the description in the earlier video. So kindly go through that video. After that, come to the video number 2. Then it will be easy to learn you the further explanation. And just recap of this. These are the some variables that we are going to use in the student management system, and these are the database, and these are the value of different databases of students, and some helper functions like get stats. It provides the stats of particular students, and the next one is grade. Find out the grade of that particular students and get it says of it calculate the student its states. Now comes to the next version. So this is the feature that I am going to implement. Feature number 1, view all student. So in this feature, I am going to implement the for loop concepts, dictionaries, and app string and enumerator. This is the function, and this is the header that it is printing here. After that, print f id, name, age, city, grades, and less than 4 means it will be the left align and taking the 4 character space. Likewise, id, it will be the left align and taking the 8 character space. Name is also left align. Age is right align. It will take the 4 character space total in total. Greater means right align, less means left align, and we print the id, name, and city like here. You can see here. Now I am going to iterate over the student database. So we use the enumerate as I already discussed in the for loop. There is another way to iterate to the particular data, that is means the using the enumerate function. It will take the variables and from where it will start, like it is start from the 1 2 3 and 4. So it will provide the id and particular record. So for I student in enumerator students and start with the 1 state, it will take the stats of that particular student. So this is a helper function that I already discussed above, and it will returns the say here get state. This is the database contains the id of something, and get states, it will return the mark, scores, average, highest, lowest, best subject, weak subject, grade, marks, and at the end it returns the these value. So this is the helper function that I use inside the for loop, and print again particular id, name, age, city, grade, average, and result. See the output here. So here we get all the student data with the help of this function. So this is the definition of function. How to execute the function? Just by calling that function. So here it is a calling of the function, and this is the definition of the function. Now come to the part number 4, and here we are implementing the feature number 2, add new student. Suppose a new student come in the school, then how to add that particular record inside the database. So here we are going to use the dictionary, list append, string method, and conditional element. So this is the function name add student. It took the variable name, age, city, mark, list, attendance, hobbies equal to none. By default value we are providing the value none to the hobbies. So mark list, as I already say, let me paste the one record here so that it can easily be understandable. See, in order to add the database, in order to add the particular student records, we require these fields: ID, name, age, city, marks, attendance, and hobbies. Yes, and you can see here the mark is the dictionary. So whenever we provide the argument to this function, that should be the dictionary for the mark sheet. Now here are some validation that we printed here. Suppose length of mark sheet is not equal to total subject. Total subject is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then need exactly total subject marks, means total number of 5 subjects marks we have to provide. Now this is a for loop. So for m in mark list, if m is between the 0 and maximum marks, then it will be add inside the database, otherwise it will raise the error. This is the valid error that I have to going to implement. So these are the two validation that we have implemented for the add student function. Now comes to the ID part. Here with the help of this function, we are generated a new ID. This is the auto generator. Next one is build a mark dictionary using the zip. This is the use of zip, subject and mark list. So user provide the list of the marks, and subject is contains all the subjects. See the example. I am going to implement the subject again here. See, feature number 3. No, feature number 2. Okay. Say, so these are the subjects: Python, Math, DSA, English, and and okay, fine. One second. Okay. So here we use the zip method just to zipping the two list. So Python, Maths, it comes inside this one, and mark list. This is provided by the user input, and it will zip and convert into dictionary. So finally it will convert into the dictionaries. Now create the student record. New student is equal to, this is the dictionary. I will provide the ID, new ID, name dot strip dot title, age, city again the dot strip dot title. Strip is used for the removing the space. Marks, mark list, attendance, and hobbies. If hobbies, otherwise it will returns the null. In this way we can create a new student records. Now after creating that record, we append inside the student dot append new student. So student already contains the different database of the different student, or here it will add the new student records. After that I am going to print the some print statement like student record successfully print the ID, name, marks, and returns the new student. So this is the overall definition of adding the new student. Now how can we call that function? Yes, just by using the name and providing the some inputs, age, city, and see here I am going to give the marks of different subjects. So we have 5 subjects, so we have to provide the 5 marks for particular subjects. After the attendance and hobbies, again a list, badminton and coding, and after I am going to print the student length. Earlier it was 7 record, and after executing this statement the total records will be the 8. Just see here, ID, name, marks that we are going to print here, and total student is 8. So till then we implement 2 methods. Number 1 is view all the student, and second is add new students. So this is it for this video number 2. In video number 3 I am going to provide the detail around difference method that we are going to in the student management system. Till then, bye and see you in the next video.